Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'm showing you how to make air fryer caramelized pineapples. These are extremely delicious and easy to make. They work great as a dessert or a sweet side dish. For the ingredients, we'll need 1 pineapple, brown sugar, vanilla extract, melted butter, and maple syrup. First, we need to cut the pineapple. Start by cutting off the top and bottom of the pineapple, and then slice off the skin. Be sure to remove any remaining brown pieces. Next, cut the pineapple in half lengthwise, and then cut those pieces in half again. Next, remove the core by cutting it out at an angle. Slice each quarter in half lengthwise to make 8 pieces. And then turn the pineapples and slice them into 1-inch chunks. Set the pineapples aside. To a large bowl, add the brown sugar, maple syrup, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Stir until well blended. Once blended, add about 2.5 cups of pineapple chunks to the bowl and gently toss until well coated. Preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Once ready, add your pineapples to the air fryer in a single layer, and then air fry for 12 to 15 minutes until caramelized. Once the pineapples are done, remove them from the air fryer, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.